We should condemn the jokes we make that degrade our fellow Ugandans. We should all be able to condemn the choices we make in friendships, marriages, based only on tribal lines. To my fellow mothers, whether young or old, I challenge you, be the voice of unity in your home. Speak peace at your dinner table. Correct tribal comments, even if your husband or your children or your friends use them. Raise your children to see fellow Ugandans not as strangers, but as brothers and sisters. Tell them that it is God, not tribe, who gave us identity, and that in the eyes of God, we are one family, baptized into one body, one faith, and one church. Uganda is a beautiful nation, a gift from God, and like any family, it is strong when it is united, but a divided house cannot stand. So let us be mothers who build, not break. Let us be mothers who love, not hate. Let us be mothers who raise a Uganda where every tribe is respected, every child is safe, every heart is open. Because in the end, a mother's heart knows no tribe, and neither does the heart of God. Raising a child in itself may be very hard, but I ask all mothers to take the example of Mother Mary so we can be guided to raise a generation that will continue to build our nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you.